Now it's time for Ask Wendy. Oh, how you doing?
Hi, Wendy. My name is Carla. How you doing?
Hi, Carla.
So my question's about my roommate,
Okay.
who recently got a boyfriend, and they're head over heels, which means he's over multiple nights a week.
Now, is this college?
Yes.
And this is a dorm?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we share a room together, which means when they get busy in the sheets, I have to leave and stay in our campus living room. Wendy, how do I approach her without seeming like a prude?
Are you a freshman?
No, I'm a sophomore.
Okay, so you learned about this last year.
Yeah. Well, she wasn't this active last year.
Oh, she was your roommate last year as well.
Yeah.
So she's not just your roommate, she's
No.
your friend.
Yeah.
Well, friends can talk to each other about things like this. This is a classic college situation, Carla. So
Exactly.
this is what you do. You talk to your roommate firmly and you say, look, girl, you and boyfriend and the sex and me sleeping out, you know, in the streets. This is not working for me.
Yeah.
All I'm going to ask you to do is please be considerate of me. Maybe you have the sex because both of you are free while I'm in or in my economics class. In other words, you're in class and they have the sex. Or, you know, you're at dinner and they can have the sex.
Okay.
Or something. You know, in other words, be more considerate. You're not hating on her and you're not jealous of her, but just be more considerate. And next year you might want to put in for a single. Right?
I'll
okay.
consider it.
Very well, very well.